Dude, it's like I found a cheat code in the crypto world to get these kinds of gains. It was insane. Felt like I unlocked a hidden crypto glitch or something. Curious how I did it? Stick around, cause I'm about to spill every single trick I used. I can't even count how many meme coins I've aped into that totally tanked. Lost time and tokens like crazy. But ever since I picked up this tactic and started working it daily, my results went nuts. I'm earning 5 times what I used to. The whole thing runs on repetition. That's the core idea I'm about to walk you through. I'm gonna lay out the whole method for you soon, but before we jump into all that, let's chat about how we're getting this thing off the ground. If Pump.Fun is your go-to idea for launching, just know it's got some serious risk. This is one decision we've got to sort out up front. Open up Photon and check the DEX filter on Pump.Fun. You'll see meme tokens popping up basically every minute. Most of these coins are launched and immediately flop hard. It's because Pump.Fun makes it insanely simple to launch, so the whole place is overflowing with low-quality junk. Now hit up the DEX filter on Radium and see for yourself. Only 20 tokens launched in 13 minutes? That's no accident. Look at this. The liquidity's locked in, price charts are looking smooth, and volume is climbing fast. The reason? Only serious builders get access here. That's exactly why this is the move. Don't go anywhere. I'll break it all down. Okay, this is wild. Launchtool made it so literally anyone can drop a token on Radium. No coding skills needed. Like, it's straight plug and play. A few clicks and your token's live. I've been all over this strategy, and the money? It's getting ridiculous. The gains are so good it feels kind of disrespectful. For your information, we're gonna be rocking Canva to get our logo sorted. You can either peep what's hot at the moment, or just select something that you're feeling. As for me, I actually discovered this rad logo with a super quick image search. Lately, I've been spending a lot of time playing the Pokemon trading card game, so I'm gonna theme my crypto around this Pikachu meme. It's pretty much a classic. That's the whole idea. Okay, so since you're already vibing in Canva, just toss your logo in there, and you gotta confirm it's a perfect 128 by 128 pixels. Fix it up a little if you think it needs it, and then you're all set to save it. That's the entire thing, super straightforward. Now head back over to launchtool.io and connect your Phantom wallet, just like you see me doing here. When it prompts you for the token info, make sure you put in PIKA coin for the name and PKC as the token symbol. You can totally add a description if you want, but I'm gonna skip it for now. Then upload that sweet logo you whipped up in Canva and click next to keep the ball rolling. Yo, if you notice any decimal numbers or crypto amounts, don't even think about changing them. Leave them exactly how they are. Hit that next button and we're good to continue. Verifying the creator will set you back 0.1 Solana. Totally up to you whether it's worth it. I'm keeping my Solana locked tight. That's too valuable to toss. Go ahead and click skip. No reason to waste time. When it comes to social media links, feel free to add your website or Telegram account, whatever works for you. It's a nice touch, but not required since Radium will set up all the streams automatically. Just click skip and let's keep going. Pay close attention here. Security settings are non-negotiable. You could save 0.3 Solana by turning them off, but trust me, you'll definitely lose investors. Any serious investor will check if freezing and minting are locked. If not, you're signaling that you're shady. My suggestion? Keep those settings on and hit Launch My Token Now button. Hang tight for a real quick sec. Okay, go on and hit that confirm button in your wallet. Just tap it lightly, give it a single second to process and boom! Your token is officially out there for the world to see. You totally crushed it. Massive congrats coming your way. Okay, so we just peeped our coin on that SoulScan link and guess what? It's official. It's live and kicking on the Solana blockchain. Alright, time to get this token moving. Head back over to launchtool.io and give that Create Liquidity Pool button a click. That'll automatically take you over to Radium where we can get the liquidity pool set up. Let's make some serious gains. Let's get this show on the road by making your meme token the star of the show. Snag that contract address from launchtool.io. Copy-paste that bad boy into Radium. For the symbol, go with PKC, and for the token name, it's PIKA coin. Then just click Add User Token to make it official. Now for that fire liquidity, if you minted 1 billion tokens, throw a solid 900 million into the liquidity pool, no doubt. And for the trading pair, it's gotta be Solana. It's the main coin on its own chain, you know the deal. When you're throwing in your Solana, make sure you hit max and then just deduct 0.2 Solana. That little bit will handle the transaction fees and give us some breathing room. Set that fee percentage to 2%. That's the magic number to get investors looking our way. Okay, this is the moment we've been waiting for. Smashing that Initialize Liquidity Pool button. Your wallet's gonna ask for the green light. This is the granddaddy of them all, people. Just approve the transaction and boom, your token is officially on the market and ready to get traded. Fire up Photon, change the filter to Radium, and prepare to feast your eyes. Your freshly minted MemeCoin will likely be right there. It'll be hard to miss. That's your visual proof that it's officially live on the market and all set for trading action. So now go back to launchtool.io and make sure you've got your coin's exact address copied. Now, head on over to Deck Screener, search for any coin you see, and then either replace the address in the website link with yours. And just like that, your coin's chart will appear, working perfectly. Super easy to follow. Jumping in this early means literally every move you make just automatically puts more cash in your pocket without even trying. Plus, since you're one of the first ones here, the idea of actually losing money at this stage is almost a joke. Now you can just kick back and watch your investment go absolutely parabolic. Check out the charts. We've already got some buys and sells going down. This early activity, most likely just the bots doing their automatic trades, nothing too wild right now. What I'm really keeping an eye out for is when a big investor, a whale, makes a huge purchase. That's the real sign we're looking for. No stress for now though. This is just the normal start for these kinds of projects. After just a couple of minutes and a couple of sales, we just scored our first big buy of $62, which translates to 0.46 Solana. The liquidity's up and the market cap looks solid. So let's just keep on waiting and see what happens next. Awesome news, we just got a $100 buy. That's 0.74 Solana. Definitely a great sign. We can see that the liquidity and market cap are staying strong, and since it's only been 9 minutes, let's keep holding on for a bit longer. Yo, there it is. This is the big one we were looking for. $140 straight into the coin, coming in at 1.04 Solana. That's the whale we've been waiting on. Those numbers are solid, guys, but for now it's time for us to take a breather and leave. Now I'm going to show you how to get your hands back on your liquidity. I'll explain how it all goes down. Okay, so to get started, simply connect your creator wallet to Radium. It's easy peasy. After that, find the portfolio tab and go into it. Choose standard, and your coin balance will be right there. If it doesn't show up instantly, give it around 10 to 15 minutes after you created the liquidity. That's perfectly normal. Tap the small minus symbol and pull out the full amount. Ensure Solana is the selected currency, and then confirm. Bam, you're finished. Couldn't be more simple. All right, as you can see right there, the notification confirming that our liquidity has been withdrawn just popped up. So the only thing left now is to peek at our wallet and see the final outcome. Okay, so I threw $105 in and bam, pulled out $294 faster than I thought possible. This approach is seriously crushing it right now, I'm not even kidding. The market's looking ripe for the picking, and if you've got good timing, now's your moment to dive in. This method is really starting to cook, and I'm not even kidding. The scene is wide open right now, and if you're dialed in, you might just snag a massive win here. Just gotta keep it 100 with you. I don't have any kind of sponsorship or agreement with Radium, Photon, or Launchtool. If you're trying to learn more or want to do your own research, hit up the description, everything you need is in there.